Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about optimal binary search tree. It is in unit 3. So this is directly we will move to sum. So this is the key A, B, C, D and probabilities for this keys are 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3. So initially you are supposed to form an table, that is cast table, and it is on root table. This cast table is also called as main table. So here you have cast. So you have 4 nodes, then you starts with 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and for root table 1, 2, 3, 4. From this you are supposed to draw the line for this here and this and this and this, and for this also 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is for the initial stage, and here it is now number the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what the initial structure or initial cast table structure for this particular problem. So we have 4 nodes. Cast table should start from 0 and root table should start from 1, and it ends at both are ends at the 4, and you are supposed to number from 1 to 5. Here it is 1 to 4. So you have a formula that C of I comma I minus 1 is equal to 0, and C of I comma I is equal to Pi. Pi is nothing but probability I. So here C1 is nothing but cast table. Cast table is mentioned with C of, and root table is mentioned with R of. And for cast table it is 1 comma 0 and 2 comma this last position, this diagonal last position, that is 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Fine. So these values are 0 here. So here it is, and I comma I. So 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4. Pi nothing but 1 comma 1, not 1, sorry, 0.1, 1 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 2, 0.2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 0.4, and 4 comma 4, 0.4, sorry, 0.3. So this is what the value. So now we are supposed to write on the table 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and for this 1 comma 1 it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.3. And for this root table you have a formula, that I comma I is equal to I. So here it is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4. So 1 comma 1, 1, 2 comma 2, 2, 3 comma 3, 3, 4 comma 4, 4. So here you have to mention 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what the root value. So for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these two things should be equally mentioned. Okay. For this we are supposed to form or calculate by using the formula. We are supposed to calculate root and root value and cast value for this particular sum. So after filling root table and cast table, so remaining cells we have to identify. For example, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 3, sorry, 3 comma 4, and here also 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4, and here 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 4. Here also 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 4 and 1 comma 4. So these positions in the cast table and root table we have to find. So for this we have a formula to calculate cast table. We have a formula C of I comma j equal to minimum set bracket C of I comma k minus 1 plus C of k plus 1 comma j, and with the minimum of these two things, and we are supposed to add with the I to j probability value. So here probability value is nothing but this value, probability, key probability value. So that have to be added here. So from the value, first we will see this particular step in clearly, then we will go with the remaining steps. So first question, I have to suppose to calculate 1, 2 for cost table. So minimum, so for this 1 and 2, k value is 1 and also 2. So if k value is 1, we are substituting in this value, and then if k value is 2, and then in the same formula the value is substituted and we will get an answer. So for this C of I comma k minus 1. So here I is 1 comma k minus 1 is, here k is 1, 1 minus 1 0, so 0, plus 2 of k plus 1. Here k value is 1 and plus 1 is 2, so 2 comma 2 comma j value is 2, so 2 comma 2, and here probability is I to j, so I value is 1 and j value is 2, so p1 comma p2. So here 1 comma 0, so in this table 1 comma 0 is 0, so we are supposed to substitute 0 here, plus 2 comma 2, so here 2 comma 2 is 0.2, so you are substituting here, and p1 and p2 value is, here p1 value is 0.1 and p2 value is 0.2, we are substituting here. So we are adding the answer and we have got 0.5, and here we got 0.4. So we are, for this step 1 comma 1, so here 1 comma 1 is 0.1, we are substituting here, and 3 comma 2, so here 3 comma 2 is 0.4, and we have probability value 1 comma 2, mean p1 plus p2, so p1 value is 0.1 and here is 0.2, so if we add, value is 4. So for this, by comparing these two values, we have minimum value is 0.4, so we are supposed to write the end, that is for 0.4. For this 1 comma 2, we have answer is 0.4, and which value, for which kth value we got for 2, so that a root table position, same position, the value is 2, whatever the value is less than minimum value for kth element, that value will be considered or taken as in root value for the same position. So here we are supposed to fill 1 comma 2, our answer is 0.4, and 1 comma 2, here our answer is 2. So here our answer is 2. Likewise, we are supposed to calculate the remaining values. So here I have calculated value for 3 comma 2. Again I am telling you for 2 comma 3. So k value is 2 and k value is 3. If k value is 2, we are substituting C of I, that is 2 comma k minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1, plus C of k plus 1, k value is here 2 plus 1 3, comma j value is 3, so it is 3 here, and p2 plus p3, so here 2 comma 1. In this table 2 comma 1 is 0, so we are substituting 0 here, and 3 comma 3, so 3 comma 3 0.4, and p2 and p3, p2 value is 0.2 and p3 value is 0.4, p2 is 0.2 and here it is 0.4, so we are substituting and the value is 1. And the same way for k equal to 3, we are substituting, value is 0.8.